Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Language Metrics. I am Mandy again with a new cue card. Describe a situation when you were not allowed to use your cell phone. So firstly, before starting the cue card, I would like to describe something that what kind of situations that you can include in this cue card. It can be related to the meeting, examination center, or you can say about the congregation that you were having with foreign delegates or maybe with manager, or if you are studying then you can include something that you were in a group and describing some of the topics and you were not allowed to use the cell phone there, your mobile phone there. So it can be hospital as well, or some of the places which are not so crowded, or a sacred place. You can talk about a temple, or you can talk about a place where people go for worshipping, and it depends on the situation what you want to include. Even you can talk about your home situation, that people were there and some of the guests were there, they were talking about something very important issues, or you were not allowed to use your cell phone there. But it depends how you create the situation. So I would like to describe firstly the cues. First cue is where were you. You need to describe that what was the situation, where you were standing, where you were sitting, or where you were going, or it was a meeting. When was it? The second cue is when was it. It means they are asking directly about the time, it was the year or the event of something, or it was a meeting. You need to describe with the timing. You can say about the month or year, or you know the perfect day as well if you want to describe that. Why you were not allowed, you need to describe the reason behind that, why it was a problem if you were using a cell phone, or was there any kind of situation and they were thinking about not having any kind of words from people, or the quiet place was there, so it was so silent, so I was not allowed to use my phone. What did you want to do with your cell phone? So they are asking you like what you wanted to do that time, why you used your phone, and somebody told you something that you are not allowed to use your phone. So here is the sample answer, just go through it and after that decide what to do with your cue card. Is there any other content that you want to include? The simple answer is everyone these days is accustomed to using mobile phones for different tasks. I also exploit cell phone to accomplish some tasks and entertain myself. Here I talk about a site where I was not allowed to use my phone. As far as I remember, it was winter and I was in Amritsar to visit my ailing aunt. She was suffering from lung cancer and undergoing some of the treatment there. I happened to be there with her until the prescribed treatment was done. I don't remember the name of that infirmary, but it was particularly for cancer. As I was alone there in the hospice and sitting free, having nothing to do, I had no other choice but to use my phone. I opened some applications for socializing and checked messages. Time and again, I checked few text messages from my friends. My friends were sending me some codes to join the video chat over Skype, and I thought about using that time to have some fun over there. As soon as the chat started, I heard a voice coming out from a speaker attached adjacently by the door of infirmary, giving information about the restriction of the use of mobile phone therein. I firstly supposed not to end the video chat, but someone stepped in where I was sitting. He was chauffeur of that car which was privately owned by the thoracic surgeon. He said me not to use mobile phone therein and told me about the rules and regulations, that I could only make a voice call of not more than 2 minutes, and that was too only if so urgent. He described everything, that patients' companions register complaints to the concerned department if someone uses cell phone therein, and who did not follow the rules, they were also fined for that. I was scared of getting those details of getting caught. I said him that I was fed up of sitting indolent, so wanted to make some video chat call to my friends. Lastly, he told me not to make noise near sanatorium. I was bent out of shape. Despite I was beside myself, I finally slid my phone into my pocket in a frustrated face and said okay to him. So that was the time when I was not allowed to use my cell phone. So this was the sample answer, guys. If you want to include some other points you have in your mind, you can, and try including the idioms that I told you, and you have the meaning also in the text. You can think about that as well, and try to use some of the words that I have given you in this cue card, like chauffeur, thoracic surgeon, or you want to include Skype in that if you want to include something related to the application, particularly infirmary, hospice. These are called hospitals, or infirmary is called the where the wounded person or the person who is in ailment is being kept. So you can use these words to score well in your IELTS exam. So this was the sample answer, guys. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing the videos, and ask me if you have any kind of questions related to speaking or writing in the comment sections. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, guys.